The pressure readings look good on this one.
Yeah, cycle synchronization is perfect.